3D printing is revolutionizing veterinary care by offering groundbreaking solutions for injured or disabled animals. Custom prosthetics, tailored through detailed biometric scanning, provide animals with a new lease on life, enabling mobility and comfort. From supportive shells for injured turtles to customized leg prosthetics for dogs, each creation is meticulously designed to meet the specific needs of various species. This technology enhances the quality of life for pets and wildlife, making previously impossible recoveries now achievable. By producing cost-effective, bespoke solutions, 3D printing is transforming how veterinarians address mobility challenges in animals, emphasizing accessibility and rehabilitation.